Mathematics, a course hated by everyone but overall by college students, specifically because of calculus. Well, this seriously, this is crazy. The reason why many people do it is because of the vast majority of times you will just see monsters that may cause you that what the heck moment. But what if I tell you that calculus actually is very easy, simple, and fun? Hello and welcome to the Calculus 1 Crashy Coursy, because we'll really deep into the subject that is very useful for many sciences such as physics, economy, and the most important over here, programming. So yeah, welcome also to the first math course for developers or programmers. So with Cipheros System, you will be able to speed up your learning with very clear explanations, practical examples between the Cipheros learning system, which is proved to enhance your knowledge. So say goodbye to math formulas and monstrous algorithms to just get into simple steps. What you will learn? The first part will be around the limits and theorems. All of them made easy. Function continuities with its theorems and some applications, okay, why it matters and how it basically works. Next, derivatives, and all about derivatives to make clear the explanation and not just saying that is, I don't know, a tangent line and that is all. Though seriously, there is more about it to break it up as much as it's possible. Finally, we'll pick up some integral calculus at the end, okay, just to get into the next course. But overall, we'll have quick solutions for common problems that you may find on your exams. And here's the system that we'll be approaching to. On the approximately 30 bite-sized episodes with approximately 10 minutes, okay, we don't have to make it that long or just adding filler. We'll be breaking down the theory on a very simple presentations and solve at least 3 problems to hand on instant application, and then repeat until you've nailed the concept like a pro. For the end of each topic, we're going to have an additional video for practicing problems like, I don't know, more than 5 probably. So this means that Crashy Course is maximum efficiency with 0 waste time and just ready to conquer maths. So math shouldn't be scary because it's logic, okay? And logic is just appreciating the world we have, and the world is beautiful, etc., etc. You get the point. With Calculus 1 Crash Course, you can turn those moments into aha moments and solve those problems. Click the playlist, watch the first videos, and start leveling up. If you like them, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave your comment down below for offering you more learning. Okay. Share with your friends, I don't know what else to say, and we see us on the first episode.